Yeah, my people. Alright, we're up on the manifest stage, I know. Manifest, see, you know, see, I can't everything I do with people. Yeah, man, Daniel Marshall there from the infrastructure work. Go to you want to come in on the thing, too? Wow, you just want to eat down some things. Tell your star. Yeah, my people, job people, real thing. See there, we go upstairs and go land up. Because we are the mace now, we are doing the mace work on the thing, you know, real talk, you know, we have to flood the top, you know. Watch it. Watch yourself, yo. Black say, alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright, Coco, what you say? Yeah, what you say, Marvin?
Good morning to the world. God bless the nature of creation.
Alright.
Long life and strength of better nights.
Blessed. Corey, where you doing? Alright, now come right up there now. We are back to the thing, you know. Global thing. Yeah, to the world. Yeah. Manifest dreams, eh? To the loving thing. Yeah, my people, Jano, see that? Real thing. We bring out the warrior them, you know. Bring out the big guns them, you know, man. Tell you. Alright, so. Here we are going now. We kind of hype up, you know. Junk and me no drink. Junk and me no smoke. You see my rock? Alright. Same way, Corey. Same way. Nice work. See? Experience, man, the man. Believe me. Experience, man, the man, on the thing, you know. Is it? You see, I'm a family, Marvin. A family. It's my family, Marvin, you know.
My respect, God, you know?
My respect, boss. See? Them go get the warrior, you know. Say, come, your family have work, I do. And forward quick. You know, so them on the bad on the casting boy, so see. So we still have a little up here, so we have bunks off with on the board. And see how far that carry. And we load up this. And if anything, we have to just get more material and do the thing. But I think some may have enough, I could go through it and see. Boom shot. Yeah, my people, your people, a real thing, at the manifest stage. God Almighty, blessed love. Yeah, man, see there. Yeah, we still have a good length now, right now. We still have battle with material like sand and gravel. Yeah, me not touch this yet. So I'm wait till them clear out the board down there, so fix up what them have down there, so go back and solve this. Wherever it rains out, I might just use some of the mall or just buy some from some of my neighbor, from one of my neighbor, and say if anyone of them willing to sell me what them have. See, but I say it, but yeah. People, blessed love. You know, say about 2 o'clock now, 3 minutes or 2. See there? Done box off the board, that's all. Live laugh now, you know. See the works done on the people. See it? You can't see it now, see? Alright, see my concrete line there. The cylinder block line, see it? It all cut and turn a corner right, that's all. Some of this, when I steal them lay down in the bud. You don't worry about that. Alright? Remember next column stealer. Understand me? I now put the more column over this upon that. I go put the rail in. Stay in. And I now go black it up. I now give myself no whole heap of extra work. See? But people, it's not so I concentrate on upstairs, you know. But I have to set the foundation of the upstairs first while I have the time to do it. So like I'm lay the steel now, I have to do that. If we don't lay the steel on the pipelines, I now have a next chance to do it. I have to dig the concrete, right? See, so after so now we can concentrate on the downstairs, down, on the inside. So my people, blessed love, all of you people who want to buy me my windows and my door and my tiles, get ready. Boom shot. Daniel Marshall ready for it. See? See there? Alright, see the line now. See the line cut. See in some cylinder block, them run right along the perimeter line, come right to it, just like everybody I do. And extend the upstairs part. Make it wider. See? Yeah. Beautiful, see? Yeah man, quite a few people out in the neighborhood come in, you know. If you give me a hand to, you know, and give me a hand to, you know. I'm telling a real thing, you know. See? Yeah, I like the strength. Real talk. See? So I'm give thanks. Let me check all the pipes, That one did there. Did the potted there. Alright, yeah. Alright. I kind of broom it off a little bit, you know, kind of make it, kind of take out some of the cracks. You see, just broom it off and with the broom and take out the cracks out tight and thing. See, me never get the broom off this one here. You understand me? Because the mason couldn't get them. Alright, so you can concentrate on the downstairs part now. Just level up for a few days and rest up. Seeing. But so far it's a beautiful look. Boom shot. If you quail a little bit and you come back up and deal with it. Yeah man, so thank you all again, my wonderful people. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your consideration. Thank you for all your compassion and your love. See, just continue to support the thing. Understand me? Continue to share the videos, them, like them. Understand me? Thumbs up on them and subscribe if you not subscribe. You see me? Yeah, because we're getting somewhere. You're witnessing one man, Jamaica, Daniel Marshall, build a house by himself, which you have already witnessed. You have already seen it. Understand me? This is something that the world should recognize. I hope this go down in history, you know. Yeah, me think I think I qualify to go in a history. Understand me? If there before me there was none, and after me there will be none. I swear to you. Understand me? Forget all the things and forget all of this work together. You have to have it up here, so. You have to have the skills and all the trade up here, so. You have to have the know-how. Moreover, you can have the know-how, but you don't have the tool to do it. See? Jah, we have arrived at the right times. A new era and a new beginning. Jah kingdom is coming into view. Blessed love again, my people. You and you and you and yours and yours. Blessed everybody. Daniel Marshall there for my own food. Infrastructure work. See? So we could look on the level 19.
Look like the government decide to get me moving again. Me see the DJ play on the floor and them moving again. The PSO truck them on the move again. In the Blue and Waterworks them moving again. Redevelopment band goes on new song. If you sing and every you them want a car or even a yang. Oh God man, new song if you sing and Mr. Bryson believe in a human development. Road walk it away, job it away 9 to 5. Road walk it away, job it make we stay alive. Road walk it away, the ticket redevelop Jamaica. Road walk. Road walk it away, job it away 9 to 5. Road walk it away, job it make we stay alive. Road walk it away, the ticket redevelop Jamaica. Road walk. Now for them I said that we only a dig up the road. And as some me get we know them not see the better good. Watch it dust out here, yeah, and blow the pole out here. No terror turban, the rest calf next time you come a road. Me nah joke, follow the road code. Stainless bus them always load. Wait until we don't know go see the better good. Heaven come to earth on them big broad road. Road walk it away, job it away 9 to 5. Road walk it away, job it make we stay alive. Road walk it away, take it redevelop Jamaica. Road walk. Road walk it away, job it away 9 to 5. Road walk it away, job it make we stay alive. Road walk it away, take it redevelop Jamaica. Road walk. And every time the government, yo, we put you back to work. Tank on the China Harbor. Put you back to work. Them and them construction. Put you back to work. Some say a slavery, me tell them shut up them out. Cause them don't really know what our life is all about. And with the out job and the infrastructure work. Look like they want we poor. Them don't want we work. So we get up and work. And now they don't get dirt. Road walk it away, job it away 9 to 5. Road walk it away, job it make we stay alive. Road walk it away, take it redevelop Jamaica. Road walk. Road walk it away, job it away 9 to 5. Road walk it away, job it make we stay alive. Road walk it away, the ticket redevelop Jamaica. Road walk.
My people, blessed love again, Daniel Marshall, there again. Thank you for all your love and your strength again. Thank you for all your wonderful comments. Saying, bless upon yourself, all the people who have heart for Daniel Marshall. Yeah, man, bless up, thank you, bless up, highly bless in every aspect. Yeah, man, boom shot. Yeah, bless up, Jaja. Yeah, my people, finally, my hard work look like it paid off. My God, how much days and months and I work on this house, man, just to get this roof on. Finally, it has done. My God, so come to sit down and lay down and waste out all of the contribution, all the support we get from all the people. Suppose me really did waste it. No, sir, I would have never see this miracle. This is a miracle happening right here in Jamaica right now, my people, that you're witnessing on the web. Daniel Marshall on the infrastructure work bringing it to you. I would have never imagined that. All this time I work on people building, I build up them house and thing. And I work with a foreman. And I never know that I could have do it and work on a building and build a house by myself. If me never put my hand to the wheel and decide to pedal it. Yes! Alright, baby, I'm coming. Yeah! Alright, so my neighbor there called me to come measure up our thing to look on something. She just forward down and help me, believe me. And she not pest me, she not ask me for a cent. She just help do what she have to do and cut. So we go check out our place and I want to see where I go on with people. Blessed love again, my people. God bless you all and God thank you all. Continue to watch in my video. Continue to pay forces to it. And good money here in Jamaica. Daniel Marshall from the infrastructure work. Kingston, Jamaica. Whole heap of love. Bless up.